Mocktails skip the alcohol, but that doesn't mean they need to be boring. Here's how to make a lemongrass-basil bus mocktail that'll be sure to change your opinions on virgin cocktails forever. Combine 2 cups of water, 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of basil, and 1 cup of lemongrass in a saucepan and bring it to a boil. Remove the saucepan from heat and allow the mixture to steep for 2 hours. Next, strain your syrup into a jar and chill it. On a shallow plate, combine a 1/4 cup of sanding sugar and salt and 1 tablespoon of orange zest. Use a lemon or lime wedge to moisten the rim of a rocks glass. Press the glass into the mixture to coat the rim. Next, add 4 basil leaves, 4 ounces of white tea, 3 ounces of your lemongrass simple syrup, 4 ounces of lime juice, and 2 ounces of orange juice to a cocktail shaker and muddle. Fill the shaker with ice and shake. Place 1 large ice cube in your glass and pour. Finish with a sprig of basil and an orange twist and enjoy.